NTA releases admit card for UGC NET exam. September tickets coming soon. UPPRBP releases admit card for August 30 constable exam. Delhi University announces second round seat allotment results for UG admission. Manhattan College rebrands as Manhattan University. Chhattisgarh NEET UG 2024 Round 1 seat allotment results announced today. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Education News Network. I am Kumkum Dhamgai and today's news are: the National Testing Agency NTA has released the UGC NET admit card for exam scheduled up to August 30. Candidates appearing on August 27, 28, 29 and 30 can download their ticket hall from the NTA official website. Previously, admit card for examination on August 21, 22 and 23 were issued. Due to Janmashtami celebration, the August 26 exams were rescheduled to August 27 and new admit cards for this date along with 28, 29 and 30 are available now. Admit cards for September 2, 3 and 4 exams will be released later. Candidates must log in with their application number and date of birth to access their admit card and download it. On the exam date, they need to carry a printed copy of the admit card and a valid ID proof. For more issues and queries, log into NTA official website. The Uttar Pradesh Police Recruitment and Promotion Board has released the admit cards for the UP Police Constable exam scheduled for August 30. Candidates can download their hall ticket from the official website using their registration number and date of birth. Admit cards for the August 31st exams will be available from August 27, likely at midnight. The recruitment exam, which began on August 23, saw high attendance with 79.11% of candidates appearing on the first day. A total of 48,441 candidates appeared for 60,244 constable positions. To download the admit card, visit the official website. The University of Delhi DU has released the second seat allotment result for the UG admission under the Common Seat Allocation System. In this round, 24,869 new allocations were made and 27,555 candidates received higher preference through upgrades. Shortlisted candidates must accept their seat by August 27 and pay fee by August 30. Of the 71,600 total seats, 65,755 were confirmed in round 1, with 43,065 opting for upgrades and 20,829 freezing their seat. DU will make additional allocation to ensure the academic session start on August 29. Candidates with ties in merit will be given preference based on various criteria including marks and date of birth. A total of 97,387 students were allocated seats in round 1. Manhattan College has officially changed its name to Manhattan University, a shift approved by the New York State Board of Regents on 1st of August. This renaming aims to reflect the institution's extensive academic offering, including over 100 major minor graduate programs and advanced certificates. The change is also intended to enhance the university appeal to a global diverse student body. The decision followed a May 2022 survey in which a significant majority of students, faculty, staff and alumni supported the transition to university. Originally founded in 1853 in Manhattan as LaSalle Catholic College, the institution relocated to the Bronx in 1923. The rebranding aligned with broader trends in higher education, where the term university helped address competitive challenges from institutions nationwide and internationally. The Directorate of Medical Education (DME) Chhattisgarh will release the round 1 seat allotment result for NEET UG 2024 today. Candidates who register for state quota seats in MBBS and BDS course can check their allotment status on the official website. If allotted a seat in a government medical college, candidates must physically report to the college and get their document verified by the scrutiny committee. Admission to private colleges and dental colleges is mandatory. But candidates must undergo scrutiny and meet eligibility requirements. Failure to take admission in the allotted government medical college will disqualify candidates from further counseling. For private institution only, the verification process is mandatory. That's all for today's news. For more details, log into our official website, theann.com. I am Kumkum Dhamgai, signing off. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.